Now, your KAKE First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Tony Laubach.
The sun is shining bright. We're still starting off a little chilly here in Wichita. We are at 29 degrees at the airport. Here at the KAKE studios, we are at freezing, so a couple of degree variance between here at 13th and West and the airport right now, but the wind's calm, so not dealing with a wind chill. Get out in that sun, that 29, probably feeling a little bit better than the thermometer reads. Frontier AdCam in Goodland right now, 33 degrees, a west wind at 14, one of the stronger wind gusts we've got in Kansas right now. Wind chill at 23, just a little cloud air off in the distance, otherwise mostly sunny skies pretty much for everyone in Cake Land to start the morning here. Temperatures pretty much upper 20s and low 30s across the state. You see 32 degrees right at freezing in Salina, 28 in Great Bend. The cool spot right now, Garden City at 23 degrees. We're seeing 28 at the Oasis up in Colby in northwest Kansas. And satellite and radar, hardly a cloud to be seen anywhere in Cake Land. That is going to be the case for the rest of the day today. Get out and enjoy today because things are about to change. Watching a storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. This is going to slide off to the south and west, bring heavy snows to the front range there near Denver, and then it's going to slide into the high plains and become our problem here late Monday into Tuesday, primarily Tuesday morning into Tuesday evening. This is the GFS model. This is one of the two longer range models that we've been using to track these storms. Finally coming into an agreement between the two. I'll show you this one because this has been what I've been leaning on here for the last couple of days. We start to see the snow work its way into Cake Land in far northwest Kansas starting early Tuesday morning. This is about 6 hours slower than what we were seeing this time yesterday. So meaning that Monday night we probably escape any precipitation. Tuesday morning we start to see it work in, peaking out during the late morning and early afternoon. Stopping this here at about 4:15. Notice though the snow really filling in across the northwest corner of Cake Land. Maybe a brief area of rain snow mix. The changeover is going to be very, very short here for you from west to east as we move later into the evening here about 10 o'clock. Most of the heavy snow is moved up in Nebraska. We're dealing with some lingering snow showers along and north of I-70. That will push on out of here pretty quickly. Wednesday, we get a window, a break from the storms here. We'll be between two systems, and that will probably be a good day if you are traveling to get out and do so. You can get ahead of the next storm, which will move in. This one coming from the southwest. You can see it start to knock on the door here about 10 o'clock on Wednesday, and as it pushes in, start to see the bright whites here filling in at Wichita. Now, notice the time here. This is Thursday morning at about 9 o'clock. Watch as we go into the afternoon. Notice, though, the whites change to pinks, which is a mix, to the greens, which is showers, meaning that we start to get above freezing. This storm will bring some warm air in with it. As it does, the snow will change to rain as opposed to vice versa, what we're used to talking about, meaning that the snow accumulations will come to an end and probably start melting and the rain pretty much washing it away. The showers, though, lingering through Friday, so it's setting up to be kind of an ugly, messy Thanksgiving. We're going to be talking temperatures in the 40s and low 50s with rain showers Thursday into Friday. Tuesday's storm right now, obviously the one we got our eyes on. Biggest impacts are going to be the areas in the orange across far northwest Kansas. Winter storm watches have been posted for Cheyenne, Rollins, Sherman, and Thomas counties. Areas in the yellow could also see issues with some minor accumulations, but the winds will be a big issue for us here. Snow forecast right now. This is going to change, but this is kind of what I've got pinned for us here. 3 to 6 plus. We may be looking at accumulations up to 8 inches in a couple of locations over near St. Francis. It is in the light blue, 1 to 3 inches, and that's going to be a very, very narrow area. In the white, we'll see snow showers, a dusting maybe to an inch. But again, winds of 30 to 40 miles an hour are going to create blowing and drifting snow. So regardless of how much accumulation you see, if you're going to see snow, the winds will create limited visibilities for you, and drifting snow is possible. So be aware of that traveling, again, from early Tuesday morning through late Tuesday evening. That's going to be the high point for this particular storm. For here in south central Kansas, not going to do much with this storm here. Maybe some showers Monday into Tuesday, and that should be about it. We should be partly sunny on Tuesday. Late Wednesday into Thursday is when we start to see the impacts of the second storm, that one bringing a chance of accumulating snows Wednesday night into early Thursday before we warm above freezing. We should stay above freezing as we head into the weekend, but temperatures, again, with that rain, not the most comfortable of conditions for your Thanksgiving. North central Kansas, again, we'll watch the potential for some accumulating snows Tuesday, lingering clouds on Wednesday, and then kind of get clipped as that system works its way off to the north. Again, a mix in the morning, changing to rain in the afternoon Thursday into Friday. For southwest Kansas, You'll be clipped by both of these systems. I don't think you'll see major effects from this, especially the Tuesday storm. Wednesday, you'll probably see a little bit of light accumulating snows. We'll fine-tune that forecast as we get closer. And for northwest Kansas, again, highlighted in yellow, Monday night into Tuesday, particularly on Tuesday, accumulating snows, blowing snows. Temperatures are going to get quite cold, especially Tuesday night and Wednesday. We may not get out of the single digits in a few locations. The clouds will be on the increase again with that storm late Thursday into Friday. Again, northwest Kansas will take the brunt of the Tuesday storm, likely miss out on most of it on Thursday. So we're going to go from northwest Kansas taking the first, and then Mother Nature feeling like the rest of us are left out. So here we go for Thanksgiving. The rest of us are in some of that. I think the Tuesday storm is going to have the biggest impacts across northwest Kansas with the heavier snows. I don't think we will see accumulations that high with the second storm, but it's Thanksgiving. I hope you really enjoy that time with your family because you're going to be cooped up inside all day long with them.